How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about these VPN services, which in my opinion are the top 3 VPN services in the industry. And we're going to be talking about which VPN service scores the best overall in all avenues. So before we begin, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. Okay, so getting started. If you're looking for the best service overall, and we're talking security, network infrastructures, and privacy policies that are independently audited, top-notch reliability and consistency with regards to unblocking streaming services, and overall ease of use and compatibility with most modern and smart devices, then ExpressVPN will definitely be the best choice for most users. I think ExpressVPN, despite being a very simple VPN with not too many options, it does cater to both advanced and beginner level users because it's just very consistent in what it does. You have over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a massive amount, and you see them laid out here based on continents. So yeah, very neatly laid out, and you have, of course, basic security features such as a handful of protocols. Just stick with lightweight UDP, by the way, it's the best performing protocol. You'll notice that you don't have much in advanced to kind of play around with. So unless you want to opt out of sharing crash reports, which, you know, it's, I mean, it's up to you really. You have an option for browsers here, shortcuts, protocols, and in general, all you're going to get is a kill switch and split tunneling. A kill switch will stop your internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, and that'll help with preventing leaks. And split tunneling will allow you to choose which VPNs go through the VPN tunnel and which do not, if you would like to have your entire connection secured by the VPN, except for selected applications that bypass the VPN connection. So yeah, overall, I think ExpressVPN is the best performing VPN in the industry today, especially if you're looking to unblock streaming services. Now, with regards to streaming services, just using Netflix as a reference, ExpressVPN will be able to unblock up to 18 Netflix libraries, 10 with Nord and 15 with Surfshark. Though if you're trying to unblock US Netflix, then I would suggest that you stick to ExpressVPN or Surfshark, because currently NordVPN is still having trouble, and this is temporary, by the way. They're still having trouble with unblocking US Netflix because of the latest crackdown by Netflix. Though if you're just looking to unblock Asian Netflix as well as European Netflix, then NordVPN will do just fine. Or if you're perhaps not too worried about US Netflix and you just want to unblock other US-based streaming services, then Nord will also be just fine. In fact, NordVPN is still one of the best VPNs for streaming services. It's just that it's been very difficult for most VPNs to keep up with Netflix since they're always on the move trying to block most VPN traffic. And now ExpressVPN will allow you to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. If you're looking to secure one more device, 6 devices will be allowed by NordVPN. You have over 5,100 servers in 60 countries, so that's 34 less countries than NordVPN. So it makes sense that, you know, you're not going to be able to unblock as many streaming services. But, you know, if you're just looking to unblock some of the more popular services like Hulu, Disney Plus, HBO Max, and Amazon Prime Video, NordVPN will do the job just fine. Okay, so what else do you get? Since, you know, ExpressVPN being very secure and very fast, it's still pretty bare bones when it comes to features. With NordVPN, it's definitely the opposite of that. So you're going to be getting specialty servers right here. So dedicated IP, double VPN, Onion over VPN, and peer-to-peer. You're also going to be getting an ad blocker, the powerful NordLynx WireGuard protocol, not only a conventional kill switch, but also an app kill switch, which will close selected apps when you disconnect from the VPN or the connection drops unexpectedly, rather than closing the entire connection as it is with the conventional kill switch. You also have split tunneling similar to ExpressVPN. Custom DNS will allow to easily change your DNS with this feature right here, and obfuscated servers if you're in a censorship heavy country, or if you just like to add an extra layer layer of obfuscation onto your connection. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate budget VPN that just gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost, then Surfshark will definitely be the one. It does have over 3,200 servers in 65 countries, and it'll virtually allow to secure an unlimited number of devices with just one subscription. So you can share your account with friends and family very freely. You do have multi-hop and static IP, which are the same as double VPN and dedicated IP. And of course, you do get split tunneling, which is called whitelister in Surfshark, the kill switch, clean web, which is the ad blocker, and you have a handful of protocols, including the shadow socks protocol, which will only secure your browser traffic, but it will help you reach banned websites if you're in a censorship-heavy country. And speaking of censorship, No Borders mode will help you bypass the Great Firewall of China. You may have noticed that there's no such obfuscation option in ExpressVPN, and that's because it's always on by default. So no matter if you're in China or any censorship-heavy country, it doesn't matter where you are, you will be able to operate ExpressVPN without having to toggle anything on and off. Of course, all these VPNs are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so no worries there. If you'd like to try any of these VPNs out, you don't have to kind of risk not getting your refund back. It's usually a no questions asked kind of procedure, so don't worry about that. And you can definitely ask for it through the 24/7 very helpful live chat support, which is available on their respective websites. Keep in mind that you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs with regards to their privacy policies, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.